Hi everyone, it's Logan from the De Beer shop. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the AirBAT system that's on your truck. It's a tire pressure monitoring system that links up with your PeopleNet. If you want to take a look at the screen, you'll see low tire 84 psi. This is your first indication that you have a tire that's low. When you see that alarm on your PeopleNet screen, first thing you're going to do is to hop out of your truck and take a look at all the AirBATs. Try to see which one's blinking. First thing you're going to do is take a walk around your truck. Take a look for a blinking light. This is your AirBAT, okay? This light indicates that one of your tires is low. What you need to do is inflate it. You'll notice this tire is low. All WL tires should be at 100 psi. So let's inflate this one. All right. Now what you see here is the tire is now over 85 psi and the light has stopped blinking. I don't want you to stop here. I want you to inflate the tire all the way up to 100 psi. So after you get your tire inflated all the way up back past 100 psi, go ahead and put the cap back on. Now, if your tire continuously drops to the point where the light comes on, there's a few things I want you to check out. Right here, this little collar, okay? You'll see it unscrews. If this is unscrewed even a little bit, it will cause a leak. So I want you to make sure that all these are tight. If you have a pair of pliers, it doesn't hurt to give it just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to strip it out. What you see here is the little hose that connects your tire to the AirBAT sensor. This little knob here is what lets the air flow through. This little knob gets activated even when this is just a little bit loose. So you're losing all your air pressure through there. This end of the hose screws onto the tire. It may be a little bit loose. It's pretty tough to tighten these up, but if you can get them tight, it's good. They may leak here too. It's not too often, but they do. If your hoses are not leaking, the next thing to check is the tire. Look for nails or any other road debris that might be causing an issue. If it's not leaking that bad, you should be able to make it to one of our 3 shops. If not, you're going to have to use a road service. So once again, when you see the alarm on your PeopleNet screen, first thing I want you to do is come out and look for the tire that's low. Inflate it. Check all your hoses to make sure they're all tight, and make sure you don't have any nails.